Good morning children. Welcome to science class. Let's continue our chapter safety and first aid. In my last video of this chapter, we discussed about accident, safety on the road, safety at school and safety at home. Children, today in this video, we are going to discuss about first point safety at the swimming pool, second point first aid kit, third point burns, fourth point insect stings. So let's start the video. Safety at the swimming pool. Splashing in a swimming pool is a great way to have fun, but it's important to make safety a priority to protect yourself and others in and around the water. Next is safety rules. First point, children must never go for a swim unattended. See here children in picture. First point, children must never go for a swim unattended. Second point, never dive into a shallow swimming pool. You can see here in picture. Okay. Next point, a learner must always use a float and must swim at the shallow end of the pool in the presence of the coach. Children, see here in picture. A learner must always use a float and must swim at the shallow end of the pool in the presence of the coacher. Next, fourth one, do not run along the swimming pool or startle anyone. See here children in picture. Next point, do not pull anyone from or push anyone into the water. You can see in the picture, do not pull anyone from or push. Okay, clear children? First aid kit. Children, see here in picture, this is first aid kit. If a person gets injured and we cannot reach a doctor immediately, we need to give immediate physical and medical aid till proper medical aid arrives. This is called first aid. First aid can save a person's life. While giving first aid, we should stay calm and not crowd around the injured person. Children, I explain in Kannada also. So, ಗಾಯಗಳು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಆಟವಾಡುವಾಗ ನೀವು ಬಿದ್ದು ಕೈಗೋ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಲಿಗೋ ಗಾಯವಾಗಬಹುದು. ಆಗ ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುವುದು ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಗ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಬಳಸಬಹುದು. ಇದನ್ನು ಬಳಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಪ್ರಾಣವನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇವ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? Now, how to make a first aid box? Children, see here in picture. You take one box, put all essential items like Dettol, roll of a cotton wool, scissors, band-aid, sterile gauze, bandages, pain relief cream, crocin tablets, Bernol, etc. in a box. You can see here in picture. Bandages, antiseptic cream, scissors, roll of a cotton wool, tablets and a gauze. These are apparatus of first aid box. Next is burns. Burns means in Kannada sutta gaya. Children, you can see here in picture. I taken hands image. This is burns part. Okay. We can get burns when we touch very hot objects. To reduce the pain, follow these rules. First one, remove the heat source. Second point, for minor burns, hold the burnt part under running cold water for some time. See here children in picture. For minor burns, hold the burnt part under running cold water for some time. Then third point, then put an ice pack on the burnt part. Then next point, apply an antiseptic cream on the burnt area. Next point, for serious burns, consult a doctor immediately. Okay, clear children? Next is cuts and bleeding wounds. Children, see here in picture, in the case of cuts, first wash the area with water, clean it with some cotton wool soaked in an antiseptic solution like Dettol. Next point, cover the wound with a clean bandage after putting a piece of sterile gauze on it. See here children in picture. Next point, place an ice pack on the part that is bleeding. It is important to cover the wound to avoid dust and flies which may cause infection. Okay, in the cut is caused due to a rusted object such as a rusted knife or pin, the person must be given an anti-tetanus injection. Okay, clear children? Next is nose bleeding. If your nose starts bleeding, do not panic. Put an ice pack on your nose. Children, you can see here in picture. If your nose starts bleeding, do not panic. Put an ice pack on your nose and keep the nostrils tightly pressed with your fingers. Keep it closed for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will help to stop flow of blood. Breathe through your mouth. Bend forward to avoid swallowing the blood. See here children in picture. Bend forward to avoid swallowing the blood. Next point, when a person faints. If a person faints, make him sit down with his head low. See here children in picture. If a person faints, make him sit down with his head low. This makes extra blood to reach his brain. Okay, clear children? Next is insect stings. Insect bites and stings can be painful. Remove the sting with a sharp object. Children, you can see here children in picture. Insect stings. The affected area must be thoroughly cleaned with soap and water. A soft pad soaked in ammonia water will also give relief. I once again repeat. The affected area must be thoroughly cleaned with soap and water. A soft pad soaked in ammonia water will also give relief. Next, placing ice wrapped. See here children in picture. Placing ice wrapped in a cloth or an ice pack on the affected area for about 10 minutes. Will reduce the burning sensation. See here children in picture. Put ice pack on the affected area. And lastly, apply a soothing cream or lotion thereafter. Okay. Okay, clear children? So students, this was all about the first aid, burns, wounds and insect stings. So children, today lesson number 6 completed. In my next video, we will discuss about exercise question answer. Thank you children. Have a nice day.